Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by rewriting the function into y equals a square, xh, plus k so you see the vertex and domain immediately. Once done, pick x values starting at h because square root needs x greater or equal to h. Choose increments like 0, 25 or 1 to capture curve shape. Make sure to calculate corresponding y for each x and plot the vertex at hk. You will also note the sign of a. It tells you whether the graph opens right and up or right and down. You now compute a few strategic points. Use x equals h plus 1, and h plus 4 so the inside becomes 0, 1, and 4, perfect squares giving easy outputs. Then, rescale your axes if numbers look compressed. A consistent unit spacing helps visualize the slowing growth of square root x. Once points are plotted, draw a smooth curve through them, emphasizing the principal branch to the right. Make sure the curve starts at the vertex and follows the gentle increase dictated by the square root. You finish by labeling the vertex, a couple of computed points, and the domain notation x greater or equal to h so viewers understand the start. Then, double-check algebra. Ensure the inside of the root aligns with your chosen x values and confirm you applied vertical shifts and stretches correctly. If the curve looks too steep or flat, re-evaluate the value of a and refine x increments. Changing to smaller steps clarifies shape. One troubleshooting tip: if the graph is off, replot the vertex and two perfect squares.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.